Your hour-long webinar is a piñata filled with months of sweet, sweet content, and Descript can help you bust it open. Let me show you how. First, you'll find all the best moments. Then, you'll turn them into clips. Or you can just let AI do all that for you. Just head to AI Tools, then create clips, choose how many clips you need and how long you want them. Pick a layout, and if you're after something specific, just tell it right here. Hit submit, and dozens of sweet, sweet clips. Instead of scrubbing through endless footage trying to decide which parts are worth posting, it finds them all for you. Each clip is already pre-trimmed, pre-designed, and pre-captioned. But here's the best part. AI does the grunt work, but you stay in control. Want the sentence to finish later? Extend the clip. Hate the fluff in the middle? Cut it out. Descript is a fully fledged video editor, not some one-trick pony. And let's be real, ponies make terrible social clips. When you're ready, export your clips. Vertical for Instagram, horizontal for YouTube, and square for your group chat that definitely won't watch it. You just turn that webinar into a month of content. What are you gonna do with all that time? Here's an idea. Click the link below to get started in Descript. Or, touch grass.